Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a if we have a square is equals to a divided by a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here in the first method, we need to move this a to the left hand side. You see here this a is divided by right hand side. When we move it into the left hand side, it is multiplied by a square, and it will becomes a multiplied by a square is equals to a. And now here further in the next step we have this is a multiplied by a square is equals to a cubed equals to a. And now here further we move this a from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes a cubed minus a is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve a, so that here we need to take common a from here, and when you take common a we get the remaining values are a square minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square minus 1 is equals to 0. This is our first root of the given equation, and from here we easily get the other roots. We need to move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes plus 1. So in order to find the other values of a, we need to take square root on both of the sides of this equation. So when we apply square root on both of the sides, this implies that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get a is equals to, we know that square root of 1 is equals to 1. And when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign any one of the side. Okay, so here we obtain three roots of the given equation, so in which the one root is a is equals to 0, and the other two roots are plus minus 1. So further we need to verify that is these roots are solution or extraneous roots. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is a square is equals to a divided by a. In this side we will be verify a is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to plus 1, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to minus 1. So here we verify all of these three values. When we put a is equals to 0 on both of the sides, you see here we get this is 0 square equals to 0 over 0, and this is 0 equals to 0 over 0. We know that this is 0 over 0 form. It is usually called the indeterminate form. So if this is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. If this is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so we conclude about a is equals to 0 is that a is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the final conclusion about a is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to focus into the second root, and now we substitute this value of a here, and it will becomes 1 square is equals to 1 divided by 1, and 1 square equals to 1, and 1 over 1 is also equals to 1. So this shows that the value of a is equals to 1 is satisfied over this given question statement. And now we verify third value of a, that is minus 1. So when you put it here, it will becomes minus 1 square is equals to minus 1 divided by minus 1, and we know that minus 1 square is equals to plus 1, and this minus is cancelled out by this minus, and we get here plus 1. So this shows that the value of a is equals to minus 1 is also satisfied our given question statement. So the solution set of the given question is that we have plus minus 1 be the solution set of this question. This is the final answer which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. So for this we need to copy down given question statement here. So in second method When we copy down given question statement, it is a square is equals to a divided by a. This is the our given question statement. And here we just directly solve this problem, and here we directly get the roots of this equation. So you see that this a is cancelled out by this a, and we obtain a square is equals to 1. And now for the values of a, we need to apply square root on both of the sides, and it will becomes a square and its square root is equals to square root of 1. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here a is equals to plus minus this is square root of 1. So these are the two values of a which we get here from second method, and also in the first method we will be verify that both of these two values of a are satisfied our given question statement. So in the second method we get the solution set of the given question is that plus minus and 1. Okay, so this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.